Every year, a large number of households spend hundreds of dollars on simple lawnmower maintenance you could perform on your own. I'm Ryan Martino, and this is how we service lawnmowers at Martino Motorsports. For safety purposes, remove the spark plug wire. Remember those vintage airplane movies where you spun a propeller and it fired? Yep, the same thing can happen here. If your mower doesn't have a drain plug, you could safely tip it over on its side and drain the oil through its oil fill neck. While you're waiting for the oil to drain, check your owner's manual and find out the oil capacity, viscosity, and all other essentials needed for service. Once complete, tighten the oil drain plug. We live in the Midwest, so one day it's 90 and sunny, the next day it's 40 with an 80% chance of snow. So we are going with the recommended 10W30 in Lucas's new lawnmower oil line. Add oil to the recommended capacity level. Once filled, check the dipstick to ensure you're at the proper fill level. It'll be between these two white lines. This mower takes 600 milliliters. Right in the zone. Next, check your air filter. Most mowers come with either a paper or a foam air filter. This one comes equipped with a paper filter. So you're either going to shake it out like your favorite Taylor Swift song, or my preferred method, use a little air. Speaking of air, since we have it up in the air, we're going to give it a quick detail session to make sure it glides through the air with no issues and increases its miles per gallon. All jokes aside, you could actually increase your miles per gallon, treat your fuel system, and reduce the harmful effects of ethanol in your fuel with these two products. You have an ethanol conditioner with stabilizers. We have a fuel treatment. Don't worry if you overfill, these products won't harm your fuel system. Don't forget to lube all your rotating parts with penetrating oil to avoid rust and unwanted noise. Coming down the home stretch, now we're going to replace the spark plug. It probably doesn't need replaced, but we're going to place it anyway since we're doing our maintenance of our lawnmower. Pretty simple to remove. We're going to get the new one out of the box. They should be indexed for whatever your application needs. We're going to hand thread it in there. Make sure it doesn't get cross-threaded. And then we're going to give it an old torque down. Lastly, we're going to take the mower, move it to the ground, hook up that spark plug wire, drop the hammer and count the savings.